World Food Day is an opportunity for everyone to connect around the world about the need to improve our food system globally for biodiversity, for sustainability, for the environment, and for those that are hungry. People coming from the food bank are working with, or from food pantries are working with limited resources. And having been there myself, I really feel passionate to show them how they can work around what choices they have and pick the best choices they have so that they're eating real food and trying to stay away from the processed food. And really it starts with cooking.
So I peel the leaf off, but the stems can either go in a compost if you're not going to use them, or you can boil them and puree them and make a pate out of them.
You know, it's really just to raise awareness so that everybody can get enough food that's good and nutritious.
It's spicy here, not spicy.